construction industry safety training centre in Surrey, where in partnership with our dealer Green Shields JCB, we have just delivered a brand new 3CX Plus that is here for you to consider getting trained on a backhoe. Now this is a brand new machine, it's got excavator servo controls, so really easy for you excavator operators out there who are thinking to upskill yourself onto the backhoe. And what's new, if you're an excavator driver who holds your CPCS blue card, you can get trained on this and jump straight to blue category as it shares an MVQ. So contact CISTC today to inquire about doing your backhoe loader training. What's more, the first 20 candidates to complete their training here will receive their very own JCB goodie bag to include their very own backhoe loader model.